South America amazing destinations. Colombia. Colombia is one of the most beautiful places to know in South America. You could visit Providencia and Cartagena. Even you could taste delicious food like ajiaco or bandeja paisa. The Chipchas were the most important native community in Colombia. Peru, another amazing destinations. You could go to Cusco or the capital Lima. Peru has had a very special gastronomy. You could eat delicious food like ceviche or cuy. The Incas were the most important native community in the Peru history. Brazil. Brazil is bigger than Colombia and bigger than Peru. Brazil is the biggest country in South America. You could visit cities like Rio de Janeiro or Sao Paulo. Brazil have delicious food too, like moqueira or pão de queijo, which is really bread with cheese. Brazil has had the largest number of native communities with about 241 communities. If I had gone on vacation last month, I would have gone to Peru.